Hey guys, I'm new to this scene. I'm just trying to sort of see how this is gonna go. Sorry if I'm a bit little scared. I'm not really sure how this is gonna go, but I figured I'd try some inducing right now. I wanna see how people like it. I've been told I tried it out on a few people and they seem to like it, so I guess here we go. For reference, I'm using wadded up toilet paper. So, alright, here we go. It went away. Oh, my eyes. That's watering. That was a good one. Sorry, my mic sort of pushed off. My mic pushed off. So, okay, a little bit more. Little. Okay. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you want to hear next. I'll take some requests if you guys want. Thank you guys. I'll see you all in the next one.